adapter I open, damage this, and one this damage. See you, this capacitor is damaged. You see, this is output supply problem. Maybe output is short circuit, maybe lost is the capacitor. Input AC capacitor is okay. This is outgoing problem. I removed this lost capacitors. This adapter is repairing. Now I open this capacitor. See, this is lost. This capacitor is blasting. Now this replace capacitor 470 UF 12 volts. This is the problem. After I replace this capacitor, another disposal I check here. This is old have. This is a same rating. Now I remove this same capacitor changing. This is a DC side. Now I replace this capacitor, same this value. This is a negative side and this is a positive side. Now I fix the capacitor. This is it. Now soldering. Only small problem, DC side problem. Now give I power, again test with. Now I will replace this capacitor. Again I fix it. This is now testing. Give to power. I connect the power now. Now check the output voltage. Testing board. Remove the capacitor. I change this capacitor, fix it. Now check the output voltage. I select the DC. You see, I select the DC. Is 5.18. Only burning this capacitor. voltage return back. This is home replacement work, not go to technician. You see 5.5. This is too much burning this clips. This is electricity problem, too much burning, this electricity problem. Now I change the capacitor again, then this is okay. This